Hello, who is selling here? I don't know this kind of too much. Hello? Yeah, think it there. Who is selling here?
Coming, one man.
One man.
Bro, this is your. I don't know
One man,
if this is a aeroplane or what. Which kind of aeroplane you used to put this drinks in?
Jesus is Lord. What is your problem?
I've been trying this thing, I don't know. You have
You don't know how to open this map.
I have tried my best. I don't know whether you put lock. I don't know whether
Oh my God, Jesus.
She
You
what?
don't know.
I don't know, brother. I need contact.
You are pushing here. Is this something like? You don't
I
know.
don't know, my brother. Because I don't know whether you used to lock it. So I open it.
Now come, brother. See your brother. See what is doing here. Very simple, bro.
Okay, you open it.
What is this?
Fridge is international. It's not the same fridge with Nigerian fridge. This one is different fridge.
Now, bro, this Coca-Cola everywhere same. Now you don't know.
I want Coke, my brother. I want to eat Coke and bread.
Oh my God!
Lot of Jesus.
Not large American.
This one shot me.
What happened here?